how to search and filter Amazon brand analytics keywords, why is this important, and how can it make you money? Well, if I'm exploring a new niche or trying to get a better understanding of what's happening within my own niche, whether that's for my product or competitors, this is one of the best ways to uncover top performing keywords that I might have been overlooking previously. And if I'm just getting started with a listing, this gives me an edge by revealing keywords that are already driving real conversions for competing products. It's a simple, data-backed way to identify what's working before spending ad dollars guessing. Let's walk through how it works, and then we're still going to be inside of that ABA top search terms tool inside of Blackbox. In this case, I'm going to use a competitor's coffin shelf ASIN. I've already copied, pasted it into the ASIN field, and now I'm going to keep the filters simple to start. What this is going to show me is for the date range I've selected, every keyword where this ASIN was one of the top 3 most clicked products. Right away, I can see that this competitor showed up in the top 3 for keywords like coffin decor and coffin shelf. That is incredibly useful. I can even zoom in and then compare the performance. For example, on the keyword coffin shelf, I can see this competitor captured 23.8% of total conversions, but my own listing just got 4.8%. That tells me there's a real gap in performance, and I need to dig into why. Are they ranking higher? Is their price more competitive? Does their listing connect better with buyers? Here's another example, got shelf. Our product doesn't even appear in the top 3 clicked. It's possible that we're just not ranking well for that keyword at all, and if that's the case, we're likely missing out on meaningful sales. But now you guys can use this tool in 2 main ways, right? You can enter a competitor's ASIN or your own ASIN or even multiple ASINs at once, or you can enter a keyword, for example, just type in coffin and it'll return all the longer tail keywords that include that root phrase and meet whatever search volume minimum that you specify. That's a great way to discover additional terms that shoppers might be using that you might not have even considered in your listing or in your ad campaigns. And remember, this is not Helium 10 estimated data. This is literally directly from Amazon brand analytics. And what makes using it inside of Helium 10 so much better than trying to sift through it on Seller Central is now you can combine this raw Amazon data with Helium 10's unique insights like title density, search volume trends, and estimated sales. That combination gives you a much clearer understanding of which keywords are actually converting, who's dominating them, and where your opportunities to compete might be. See you in the next video.